how to register BLV account. So to register on that account, what you have to do is open up your Play Store and on the search bar, search for BLV, and here you will have the app. So tap on install. After installing, tap on open, and here tap on let's start, which is on the bottom of your screen. And now to sign in, what you have to do is you have to enter a username or your email, and after that enter your password, and you should tap on remember me if you don't want to log in again and again. So after entering all of this valuable information, you can simply tap on sign in, and then you will be ready to use your BLV account. So that's it guys, that's how you register to your BLV account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.